Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So today we are going to discuss about finding the equation given its roots. Okay, so given dito yung roots, what are we going to do here is to find the quadratic equation. How to find the equation given its roots? First thing to do is to write the given roots in the x plus c equal to 0. Then multiply the factors by FOIL method. Then arrange the terms in descending order or descending power of x. Then add or subtract the similar terms. Example here. Now find the roots. Find the equation of the line. Now given its roots negative 2 and 7. Okay? So negative 2 and 7 yung roots ng given equation, ng equation dito. Okay? So here, we will write the roots no in this form muna, no? X equal to negative 2 and then x equal to 7 kasi nga there are the roots. Therefore, there are the value of x. And then we will transpose these roots no to the other side. So magiging x transpose negative 2 to the other side, we have x plus 2 equal to 0. Ito naman, transpose 7 to the other side, magiging x minus 7 equal to 0. And then enclose natin in parenthesis silang dalawa, no? Equal to 0. Now, as you can see, magiging factors na sila, no? So x plus 2 times x minus 7 equal to 0. Using the FOIL method, we will multiply these two binomials. X times x is x squared, no? And then we have x times negative 7 is equal to negative 7x. Then 2 times x is 2x. Then 2 times negative 7 is equal to negative 14. Okay? Now, i-arrange natin no in descending power of x. Una to, we have x squared. Next is negative 7x plus 2x minus 14. Add the similar terms, negative 7x plus 2x. That would be equal to negative 5x minus 14 equal to 0. So ito yung magiging equation, no, yung quadratic equation nga. We have x squared minus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. Okay? So madali lang. Another one. Okay, find the equation given the roots 3/4 and 3. No? Again, write natin siya into this form, ha? We have x equal to 3/4, then x. Okay, write natin siya into this form, no? So since 3/4 yan, no fraction, okay, dapat tanggalin muna natin yung denominator by multiplying, no, for both sides of the equation, no? 4 times x is 4x, then 3/4 times 4 or cancel this out, magiging 3 na lang. Okay? And then transpose 3 to the other side, we have 4x minus 3 equal to 0. The next is yung x equal to 3. No? Transpose 3 to the other side, magiging x minus 3 equal to 0. Then enclose it in parentheses. No? For x minus 3 enclose in parentheses, x minus 3 enclose in parentheses. Equal to 0. Now, factor na sila. Using FOIL method, we will multiply. 4x times x is here. No? 4x times x, 4x times negative 3, negative 3 times x, negative 3 times negative 3. No? Then we have 4x times x is 4x. 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x. 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 equal to 0. Okay, bring down 4x squared. Add natin to, negative 12x minus 3x. Bakit natin i-add? Kasi para silang negative. So magiging negative 15x plus 9 equal to 0. Okay? So ito yung magiging quadratic equation niya given these roots. What about naman kung yung given root, no, is a complex number just like this one? We have 2 plus or minus the square root of 3. Now, since roots siya, no, we have x equal to 2 plus or minus equal times the square root of 3. No? Kasi nga value siya ng x eh. Now, what are we going to do here, no? Is to transpose 2 to the other side, may negative 2 yan, x minus 2 equal to plus or minus the square root of 3. Okay. So pag ihiwalay natin, isa positive, isa negative. Okay, no. Before tayo maghiwalay, no? I-square natin muna both sides para matanggal itong radical sign. Okay? So x minus 2 squared magiging x squared minus 2x times negative 2 minus 2, plus negative 2 squared equal to 3. Kasi tanggal na to eh. Yun ang purpose kaya nag-square tayo. So we have here x raised to 2 is x squared. 2 times x times negative 2 is equal to negative 4x. Bakit naging ganito? Okay, remember yung squaring a binomial? Ito yung method na yan, squaring of a binomial to. I-square natin first term and then multiply natin, no? X times negative 2 times 2 for the second term and then i-square natin yung last term niya. Okay? Then next, no? Balik tayo dito. 2 times x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Negative 2 squared is positive 4 equal to 3. Then transpose 3 to the other side. We have x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, copy natin to. 4 minus 3, that would be equal to 1. Ito yung magiging quadratic equation niya. Okay? Exercise. Now, find the quadratic equation given the sum and the product of the roots. Here, find the equation given the roots 3 and negative 2. Okay? So, here, given na yung roots, no, we have 3 and negative 2. So, your R here naman is 3 and then yung S is negative 2. So, ito class, another method to ha. Yung pinakita ko kanina, no, using FOIL method yon. This time naman, another method on how to find the quadratic equation given the roots by using the sum and the product of the roots. Anyway, dito sa R and S, pwede yan mag-interchange. Pwedeng R equal to negative 2, S equal to 3. It can be interchanged. Okay? Now, hanapin natin yung sum of the roots. So, to find the sum of the roots, no, we will add, no? 3 plus negative 2 equal to negative B over by A. 3 plus negative 2, no? We have 1 equal to negative B over by A. Now, multiply natin both sides by negative 1 para maging positive to. So, negative 1 times 1 is negative 1 equal to B over by A. Okay? Next, for the product naman, RS equal to CA. Substitute, no, your R to 3 and then your S to negative 2 equal to C over by A. 3 times negative 2, that would be equal to negative 6 equal to C over by A. Now, ito yung sum, ito naman yung product of the roots. Kaya iso-substitute natin tong mga sagot na to into this form. X squared plus B over by AX plus C over by A equal to 0. Quadratic, standard form of quadratic equation siya. Nga lang, yung A nandito na sa denominator. Palitan natin yung, copy muna. X squared plus, palitan natin yung B over by A ng negative 1. Copy yung X plus yung C over by A by negative 6 equal to 0. Okay, simplify natin. Ayusin natin yung form niya. X squared plus negative 1 times X is negative X plus negative 6 or minus 6 equal to 0. Ito yung magiging quadratic equation. Another method to. It's up to you kung FOIL method or this one ang gagamitin nyo. Next, what is the quadratic equation if the sum of the roots is 7/3 and the product is negative 2? So this time naman, given na yung sum and then yung product of the roots, what are we going to do here is to substitute na lang yan. No? So R plus S is equal to 7/3 equal to negative B over by A. Multiply natin both sides by negative 1, magiging negative 7/3 equal to B over by A. Then, for the product, now yung C over by A natin is negative 2. Balikan natin to. Okay, dito medyo maikli kasi nga, given na kagad yung sum and the product of the roots. Dun sa number 1 example, hahanapin pa natin. Okay? Then now, substitute na lang. Copy yung X squared plus your B over by A is 7/3. Negative 7/3 plus yung C over by A natin is negative 2 equal to 0. Now, multiply natin both sides by 3 para matanggal tong denominator. So, 3 times X squared is 3X squared plus 3 times negative 7/3 X or simply cancel out natin yung 3. Magiging negative 7X. Then negative 2 times 3 is equal to negative 6 equal to 0. Ito yung magiging quadratic equation niya. Okay? Okay, exercise na tayo, no? Find the equation of the following roots. So we have 4 and negative 9. This time, I will use the sum and the product of the roots. Okay? Add ko to. 4 plus negative 9, that would be equal to negative 5. Then multiply ko both sides by negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 5 is 5. Negative b over by a times negative 1 is ba. Okay? For the product, multiply ko lang 4 times negative 9. That would be equal to negative 36. You will use this one form, no? Itong form na to. X squared. Okay, substitute your BA to 5, yung CA mo to negative 36. That's why we have x squared plus 5x minus 36 equal to 0. Okay, madali lang, no? Then negative 1/2 and negative 4. Again, palitan natin, no? I-add muna natin kasi sum and difference. Sum and the product of the roots ang gagamitin natin. Negative 1/2 plus negative 4 equal to negative b over by a. Addition of fraction and the whole number, we must get first the LCD. What is the LCD? We have 2, no? So medyo may shortcut dito. 2, okay? 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1 is 1. Then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So negative 1 plus negative 8, now supposedly negative 8 to, that would be equal to negative 9. So we have negative 9 halves equal to negative BA. Multiply natin both sides by negative 1. That will make 9 over 2 equal to b over by a. Okay, for the product naman, multiply lang natin negative 1/2 times negative 4. That would be equal to 2. Okay, using this form ulit, substitute lang natin. X squared plus your b over by a is 9 halves. Then yung c over by a natin is 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Magiging 2x squared. No? 2 times x squared is 2x squared. Then 2 times 9 halves x, or cancel out natin to, magiging 9x na lang. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Ito yung magiging quadratic equation niya. Okay, kung nahihirapan kayo dito, you can use FOIL method. Okay? It's up to you naman kung anong method yun. Then, 4 plus or minus the square root of 2. Okay? Again, here, no? Since root siya, that would be equal to x, no? Equal to x. Then, transpose 4 to the other side, may x minus 4 equal to plus or minus the square root of 2. Then, you square both sides, no? The square of x minus 4 is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay? The square root of 2 is 2. Cancel out na kasi natin to. And then transpose 2 to the other side, no? We have 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. Ito yung magiging quadratic equation niya. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.